Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for party wear gowns and reception gowns and lehengas, then I got you covered. I came across the store in Sultan Bazar, Koti. They have beautiful gowns and lehengas for receptions and party wear and farewell freshers party. So look at this beautiful gown. It has a full sequin work all over, perfect for a reception or a sangeet. And also if you're looking for something extravagant for your birthday, then this is perfect for that. They customize outfits based on the size and fabric requirement. This one reminds me of a Cinderella. It's such a beautiful one. Look at those hands and the flare. And they have a lot of different options in like subtle designs and party wear heavy designs, and also like sequin work, zardozi work. So there's a lot of different variety, and depending on your choice, you can get them done. This red one is also such a pretty one. So if you're looking for something for an evening party, then this is perfect for that. And look at the flare these dresses have. It is so beautiful. So they have different varieties. So if you're looking for something for your freshers or farewell party, then you'll find some options. This one's perfect for reception. It has such beautiful heavy work, and all of these are under 10,000, and depending on the work they may go up a little bit. This lehenga is also such a beautiful one. It has very beautiful work and detailing, and on a closer look you can see the work detailing, and it is so elegant. Even the pink one is so beautiful. They have some pastel colors, and they also have like bright colors and heavy sequin work or subtle work also. So there's a lot of different options to choose from. These are all the samples that are available. This one is like right out of a Disney movie. It is such a beautiful gown, and they also have lehenga sets and crop tops. So you can choose from the outfits that they already have in the store, or you can even get them customized according to your size. You can even take a fabric and ask them to customize the design. You can also choose from the fabrics that they already have, so you can get them customized as per your wish. I really like the gera and the flare that these dresses have, and the princess cut and the cuts that give it a very nice look. So all of these are very beautiful, and a lot of these start from around 17 to 1800, and they go up to 10,000 depending on the design and the style and the fabric quality and all that. So there's a lot of options to choose from. The sea green one is a little more subtle and perfect for birthday or like a casual holiday. It will look great. They have a lot of these options in the store. They also have some traditional outfits, and they have these Western wear and Indo-Western as well. Have these Banaras fabric lehenga sets also. So you can get even traditional outfits customized depending on your requirement, and you can ask them for specific designs. And lastly, they have a whole section of western wear which is on sale. They have them at prices starting from 299 to 599, and there's a lot of different options here also in sale, and a lot of different size variety as well. Earlier they used to have shoes. I've picked up a lot of shoes and party wear clutches from them earlier, but now they're into dresses and western wear, and they also have some belts and imitations of bigger brands. So you can check out all of their collection. I will leave their details in the description box. I leave their Google Maps link, and also if you would like to order on WhatsApp or Instagram, then do check it out if you're not from Hyderabad. And do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Do let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to try out an outfit from scratch from them. I would definitely do that. And do find me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.